What's up? It's Pinky Friday!
Heat a bowl with water, the eye brush, soap, and then you put the brush on the water. Then you take your soap and rub it on it. Then you brush it on your eyebrow to get this full effect. After brushing my eyebrows, I use the product RL De Young Eyebrow Pomade No. 2 Dark Brown. Put it gently on your eyebrows like I do. For my lips, I use Riba Love Me Lip Mask Shea Butter. It's very nice and smooth for the lips. It gives some healthy effects. I use Essence Camouflage Plus Concealer 20 Lights Ivory like an eye base. I use a sponge to blend everything on my eye. For my eyeshadow, I used 3 different pink tones and mixed them together. I use from Sephora a highlighter, face shimmering powder, Deletion Glow No. 1. For my face, I use Sephora Glow Perfection Foundation No. 23 Clear Light. Boys and girls, I want to be honest with you. If your skin is very healthy and good, don't use much makeup because it's damage your face. I just use makeup for this video or for some special event like when I have parties. For my all-day look, I just use my false lashes, eyeliner and lipstick. This is just my makeup. I didn't use foundation or concealer. For a wakey effect, I use a concealer under my eyes and blended it again. For a doll or a big eye effect, I use Essence Kajal Pencil No. 4 White. To get a better effect, I use my Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil No. 2 Hot Chocolate. Now I use my eyeliner from Catrice Liquid Liner No. 10 Don't Leave Me. you have any question or you want to see more stuff from me, follow me on Instagram. You want more? Then hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment or a like. Bye bye!